Mission Lane Credit Card Review 2025. Worth it or leave it? If you have been denied by traditional banks, this card might look like your lifeline. But most people get this card wrong, and that misunderstanding can cost real money. The surprising truth is that the Mission Lane Credit Card is not meant to be your forever card. It is meant to be your stepping stone. Mission Lane focuses on people with fair, limited, or damaged credit. Approval odds are higher than many mainstream cards, and in many cases you can qualify without a security deposit. That alone makes it attractive. Once approved, every on-time payment is reported to the major credit bureaus, which helps rebuild your credit profile. You also get modern features like free credit score tracking, fraud monitoring, and an easy-to-use mobile app. These tools help you understand how your behavior affects your score, which is something many beginner cards completely ignore. Now here is where people make mistakes. Many Mission Lane cards come with annual fees, and interest rates are very high. That means carrying a balance can quickly turn into an expensive habit. This card is powerful only if you use it correctly. You should treat it as a training tool, not a spending tool. If you use it for small purchases, pay in full every month, and build 6 to 12 months of perfect history, your credit score can rise significantly. At that point, you should graduate to better no-fee cards. So is it worth it? As a temporary credit builder, yes. As a long-term everyday card, leave it.